else is there? I really don't want to wash my clothes. I've been putting off hand washing my JS case for so long, which is why you guys haven't seen many videos lately. I'm just hesitant to get my hands cold and wet, because, yeah, that's a lot of washing, you know? Takes a lot out of a girl. Oh my, I found my, okay. What else? What else? I've started to wear my pink, the pink shoes I wear for EJL with more clothes now. And I'm really, really happy. Actually, I might post a picture on my Instagram. I'm not sure if it'll be on my story or not, but I think I might post a picture soon. Anyways, I've been putting off voice recording this for a bit. Like, I took a break mid voice recording, so if my voice changed, that's why. Anyways, I've been locked in on drawing Ascendance of a Bookworm fan content. I recently posted a really poorly drawn, I guess, reel of Ascendance of a Bookworm on my profile. Go and check it out if you're curious, like on my YouTube, not my YouTube, my Instagram. A really awesome, spunky, Ascendance of a Bookworm fan artist that makes, like, really cool Ascendance of a Bookworm reels literally, like, commented, and I was like, oh my goodness. So then I was like, wait, I have things to do, because I was gonna, like, be like, wait, I should make another one. And then I was like, wait, no, I should finish editing this video. And guys, I still haven't washed my clothes. That's kind of an issue. I have, like, a lot to wash. Maybe I'll wash it, like, Wednesday? I'm not sure. Do any of you like Ascendance of a Bookworm? I know, it's just, like, my current hyperfixation, I guess. I'm ADHD, I can say that, guys. Ignore my mom in the background. She's, like, I actually don't know, cooking or something? I don't know. This was actually my first time working with, like, raw chicken. But it was pretty fun. I do have to wash my cosplay. No, I washed my cosplay after this. Let's see. I want to get more, EGL clothing. Like, I really, really, really need to get more EGL, but I'm kind of broke, guys. I need to stop going to the bookstore. Cause, like, my money either goes to EGL, sweets, or books. Lately, it's been books. I'm not sure what I should do about that. I guess I could go on a book note buy, but I've gotten hooked on reading again lately, guys. It's so bad. Like, it's all consuming. It really is. Woohoo! And not like it's any better when I'm fixated on EGL, though. I mean, I still do adore EGL, hence why I'm keeping my channel up. And I'm still gonna make more EGL content in the future. Like, sometimes I'll just go into 42 Lolita and just, like, browse. And I'll just, like, peruse through things, being like, oh, wait, this is cute. I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. And then I'll check my bank account, and it'll be, like, $1.49. And I'll be like, well, floof. I guess I can't get it yet, I suppose. Oh, what a shame. requires so much coordination.